Hello, YouTubers. This is Christoph99,000. It's been a long time since I last made a video, any kind of video actually. I just got myself the Uncharted 4 Thief's End ps4 edition. I'm about to do the unboxing here with my friend over here. And now, let's begin.
Should I hold it?
Yeah,
Okay.
if you can. Thank you. And then,
Cue it.
yeah. Yes. How do you?
Whoa. The seal has been broken.
That's the seal for receipt. Yes.
Those things are annoying to take off.
Yeah, they really are. Curses. Luckily, I forgot to clip my nails.
Walter. What is Walter doing?
He's tired and he probably thinks this is a dumbass thing.
Dun, 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 dun. There should be some music playing or something.
Yes. I had like a PS1 opening sound effect on my phone, but too lazy to have to.
Meh.
Yes.
Okay. Whoa, the controller. Oh my goodness. And all the goodies are spilling out.
Yes. Ooh, this controller.
Wow.
Look at this wonderfulness.
Brand new. Whoa.
Lovely.
That's nice.
2 colors.
Not gonna get that anywhere else, folks.
No.
That's nice. Where was the plug?
The power cords and HDMI cords. The cord for the controller when you need to charge it. And a little Bluetooth headset that you plug into the PS4 controller.
Nice.
And the L.
I wonder if the game, is it a digital download?
I believe so, unless they started to. Ew.
Maybe I'll... Oh. Oh, it's an actual hard copy. What?
That's awesome. Yeah, of course, instructions. And
Wow, it's a hard copy.
that's awesome. The last bundle I got was a digital copy.
Yeah, they've been doing more digital copies. I like hard copies though.
Uncharted 4 in all its glory.
Oh.
Which would go really awesome with.
Whoa, box just fell.
My Uncharted collection.
Whoa,
Of
oh,
all 3 games.
it's unopened.
Yeah. Perfect. Everything unopened today.
Ready to play all the Uncharteds. Are you gonna start from the beginning, or?
I've actually played all 3 of them before, so I'll play it another time.
What's this?
A free 14-day trial. Okay.
Oh, nice. I think, yeah, that's cool. I think that comes with every new PS4. Is that just the manual over there?
Yeah, this is just the manual. Looks like it.
Manual instructables.
Yes.
Cool.
Any person that does not know how to operate the PS4,
Sweet.
which I've done my research since the last time I had one. And now,
For the final event.
dun, 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 dun. No, I don't know what else about. the beautifulness of the Uncharted PS4.
That's actually nice. Wow. That is so nice. Let's get all angles here. What does that say? Sic Parvis Magna. Cool.
It might have to be something to do in the game. I'm not sure.
I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, I haven't played any Uncharted. This is a really nice blue. I like this. This is what it looks like with the controller.
I would have had a matching headset, matching second controller if I had the money, and also a instruction manual guide, hardcover, but I did not have the money to get it, so. So yes, people of YouTube, this is the Uncharted 4 limited edition PS4 system with the game, and what you get with it.
Yeah.
Also, apparently, a free trial of PlayStation Plus, which most likely has a code somewhere in here, which I will not be showing you.
Oh, yeah. You don't want to show people your code.
No, because then they'll take my free code.
Yeah. Alright.
And that's Christoph 99,000. And do you have a YouTube account?
No, I don't.
And my friend who does not have a YouTube account. We
Yeah.
are signing out.
Yay. Alright. Bye.
Bye.